risk and fraud management made easier. The goal of Decision Manager module is to help clients protect themselves against fraud. Decision Manager gathers transaction data provided by you, the merchant, to build a security profile based on your customers, credit and debit card, delivery addresses, order information, and other data, so you can run queries and see decisions returned by Decision Manager based on a set of rules. For example, if you as a merchant and developer are unsure if you should authorize a transaction, you can make a query against Decision Manager and get a rules-based decision whether to allow it or not. Risk Management API hosts two modules, a Decision Manager module and Verification module. The Decision Manager module lets you execute three different operations. In this operation, you can perform an API call to our Risk V1 decisions endpoint to decide if a transaction is secure enough to be completed or not. You can send a wide range of parameters to the API call, including payment information, order details, shipping addresses, customer information, and device characteristics from where the transaction has been executed. The call will return a result set containing a list of rules, and for each rule, a decision. An example of a rule decision pair is decision, ignore, name, CVN not submitted. The Decision Manager module also allows you to manage three separate lists for your transactions: positive, negative, and review lists. These lists store information of your customers, such as customer information, payment instruments, addresses, risk details, and other data classified as secure, not secure, and under review. In this operation, the Decision Manager allows you to indicate that certain information such as a few shipping addresses, a particular customer's email, IP address, phone, and account key that could be considered fraudulent. If your merchant system decides that the provided information is not fraudulent, you have the opportunity to use an API call to delete the information from the list. Now let's explore the operations allowed by the Verification module. This allows you to verify a given customer's address. An invalid customer address can be a sign of fraudulent transaction. In this operation, you can validate if the international shipping address meets compliance criteria. When executing the API call, shipping company and country can be specified in the fields. During and after the pandemic, digital sales skyrocketed due to the convenience of placing orders at home. This presents huge opportunities to businesses that want to implement digital commerce. But since payments are done electronically, fraudsters have the opportunity to illegally capture payment data to perform illegitimate transactions. Additionally, if payment information is compromised by a security breach, it's hard for your business to know if the information is being used legitimately. Businesses not only carry the cost of keeping payment details secure, but they must also pass the security assessment to meet the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCIDSS in short. This is a set of requirements regarding encryption and data security. In response to this, our platform provides tools to help you meet these standards. Reducing fraud is essential for the success of your business, since fraud represents a two-sided problem. If your business declines any transaction that looks suspicious, your sales can be negatively impacted. If it accepts all transactions, regardless of the fraud risk, its reputation can be damaged. Our platform provides the ability to reduce operational costs related to security and risk management while also maximizing your sales. By offering a high granularity mechanism to determine if a transaction is potentially fraudulent or not, false positives also can be reduced. Our platform also offers mechanisms for validating your customer payment data an additional measure that is crucial for reducing the likelihood of fraud. Furthermore, our platform is able to validate customer addresses, export compliance for international sales, and many other types of payment data. As a conclusion, we learned that our platform helps merchants, developers, and acquirers such as yourself have a better risk and fraud management handling, something that's become crucial due to the digital commerce skyrocketing. Our platform provides tools that make it possible to evaluate whether or not a transaction could be fraudulent or not. Additionally, we learn the importance of reducing fraud in order to minimize transaction declines and false positives. As a last topic, our platform allows you and your development teams to validate sensitive payment data as an extra security measure.